So how much does Wealthy Affiliate cost? Well, if you go over to pricing here, you can see that they have a free starter plan, which you can actually try using the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Then they've got a premium and a premium plus plan as well. So you can toggle between monthly and yearly billing. If you go with yearly billing, you will save money. You'll save $91 with the premium and $491 with the premium plus. What you get with the premium subscription is you get everything you need to actually start and scale your business. So you'll get domains, you'll get, AI word credits to help you generate articles, you'll get weekly expert classes, whereas with Premium Plus, you'll get daily expert classes. You get profit ready websites, you get Jaxi Lite, which is one of their tools that they've built themselves, unlimited help, and website tech. So basically, you get all the software tools that you could possibly need, as well as the actual lessons from experts to guide you so that you can start your niche blogging website and start earning commissions right away as soon as possible. So that's how much Wealthy Affiliate costs. You can obviously get started completely for free, as you can see here. If you want, you can use the link in the description. There's no credit card required. So I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.